Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then select Child or Teenager. Now click Next. And here click on Add or Create Account for your child. And now you have to enter your child email address and click Next. Now you have to enter your child password. Then click I agree. Now click Accept. And here you have to select your account. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And here you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click Next. And here you have to scroll all the way down and click Next. Click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then click Skip again. Now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and